Hi guys, my name is Ishaan and in this video I'm going to talk about a very famous technique of selling that was discovered by David Sandler in 1967. After watching this video, you will be able to close more sales with this technique, which is called a negative reverse sales technique. So let's get started, but before, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. What negative reverse selling means? Well, in this technique, instead of convincing your client to buy your product, you actually tell them, yeah, your product is not for them. As crazy as it sounds, it is super effective with the kind of client who could not decide or are delaying the purchase process. Although you may think that by doing so you will lose some prospect, which is actually true, but this is not gonna be a loss. In fact, it will help you to save your time and energy by removing those people from your list who are not actually interested in your product or service. So let's see how you can actually execute this technique and how it will help you to close more sales. First thing, understand that the negative reverse selling won't work for every situation. So don't use it as your primary technique, but keep it as your secret weapon. You can use it when the client is giving you those lame excuses to avoid, like, I will think about your offer, or I will tell you after discussing with my wife, and so on. Or if the client is actually ignoring you, or delaying the response, or not giving a clear answer, or even avoiding your scheduled calls. In such situations, the prospect although won't say a clear no to you, but these uncertainties are more draining and frustrating than a clear no, right? In such a situation, what you need to do is take your offer off the table and let the negative psychology play. This is all human behavior. If you understand from the basic, whatever it is, a product or offer or even a person, people only realize the actual worth of a thing when it is not around. So when you take back your offer, the same thing happens with your client. And that's where they understand the real value of your offer. And in this process, instead of telling your client the reason they should buy your offer, start telling them things like, yeah, maybe this offer is not meant for you, or maybe this is not the right time for you to invest in this offer. Or you can say, yes, probably this offer is too expensive for your budget, but make sure not to sound rude, okay? Just gently take the offer off their plates, and there will be two outcomes of this action. One, if the prospect is actually completely uninterested or unable to understand your offer, you will filter out that prospect off your list and save your time for a client who is more likely to convert. Second, if that client is interested in your offer but was not unable to make up their mind, doing this will create a reverse psychology effect on them and they will come back for your offer. And this is how it works in a nutshell. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. But before you go, I have a very little secret gift for you. I want you to invite you to join my free training. I and my partner Shaily created a training program recently to help newcomers to step foot in the online business world. In this program, you will learn a done for you business model and my own proven sales secret to convert clients. You will learn a business model that created more success story than any social media. So just jump into my mini mama course to know where my business model is. The link is in the description box below, and also comment down if you have any question, and press the thumbs up icon if you like this video, okay? Because your support means a world to us. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning. Bye for now.